Are you ready to revolutionize your research game? Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to Perplexity AI, your ultimate secret weapon for unlocking groundbreaking discoveries in record time. Get ready to supercharge your journey with insider tips and game-changing tricks that will take your AI exploration and research to the next level. Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed. On Google, search for Perplexity AI and click on the first link, which will redirect you to this page right here. The first thing we will do is to create an account. To sign up, click on sign up. Your Google or Apple account. After creating an account, over here's where you will ask Perplexity AI anything and it will give you the answers to the query you asked it. For example, we can ask Perplexity AI a question. I've asked it, how do I create an app from scratch? First thing you can see is the sources. So these are the sources where it sourced all the answers to our question. You can choose to open link in a new tab of one of the links. So this is one of the sites that Perplexity AI sourced the information from. Below it, you can see related questions to the one that you asked it previously. If you feel like it has not provided information that you wanted, you can choose to rewrite right here, and you can rewrite your answers to one of the following models. You can choose Copilot to source the information first, and then it's going to ask you some questions, which is going to help it understand, provide the correct information that you want. So over here, our question is, how can I create an app from scratch? We chose Copilot as our model. So it's asking us, what platform do you want to create an app for? We can choose Android, click on send. It's providing a little bit more context to the answer. Here you can see where it sourced the information. So it's even giving you a step-by-step process on how you can create an app. So the first step is this, the second step is the last step. And after every step, it's providing you where it sourced the information. If you want to read the entire thing, so this is where it sourced the information. It's also providing you a summary on how you can create the app, and then it's providing you related questions to the one that you previously asked. And on the right hand side is also providing you a video that you can watch where you can build your first Android app. This is a video, you can choose to watch it right here. You can also search for images. If you're interested in any of the related questions over here, you can choose any question. You can see the sources over here that it sourced these answers from, and then it's providing you the answer to the question that we previously asked, which was this one right here. So it's providing you the step-by-step process over here, and then it's also giving you a quick summary to your question. You can also search for videos to watch related to your question. You can also search for images if you need a little bit of visual to understand. On the left, click on library, and you can see that what we asked Perplexity AI has been grouped into a thread. To view the thread that we previously asked about how to create an app from scratch, you can click on the thread right here, and it's going to show you the entire thread and the entire questions and answer that it gave us. We can also ask a different question, like for example, what is the least visited country? And it's going to use Copilot as our model. It's going to provide us the answer to our question and the sources where it sourced the information. On the right, it's going to provide images to the least visited country. And then you can also search for videos if you want to watch the videos of the least visited country. If you wanted to view all the sources of this question, you can click right here to view sources, and these are all the sources that Perplexity AI used to source the info for our query. If you want to remove any of the sources, you can remove it. Let's say we want to remove this one right here. We can click it, and Perplexity AI will regenerate our answer and remove all the information that it had sourced from the site that we removed. The related section will also be updated. On library, you can see both our threads of the question that we previously asked have been added right here. So on the right, you can see collections. Here's where you can organize your threads. Click on get started. Here's where you're going to title your collection and give it an icon. Let's say you can choose globe as our icon. To add a description, let's say you can choose to give instructions to AI to affect this particular collection. So you can choose to tell it, so you are a travel agent, help me find out the best spots to eat, travel, and explore in Japan. And click on create, click on vacation, and you can ask, for example, we asked what is the best place to eat in Japan, and then it asks us, what type of cuisine are you interested in? You can choose sushi, click on send. Over here, it's providing us with an answer related to our vacation collection that we previously created. If you also want to view different places to eat sushi, you can view the places right here. Just click on view, and you can view the places and the directions and where to eat. And this thread will be organized in our vacation collection. So this is how you can organize your collections and your threads. organize the rest of the threads, you can click on add to collection, and then you can create a new collection. If you want to add it to a collection that you created previously, you can click on the collection and the thread will be added to the collection. If you want to get the best answers for your questions, you can choose to set a focus for your sources of information. The one that we chose is all. So Perplexity AI is searching across the entire internet and providing the information that it gets. You can choose to set a focus for your sources. Different modes that you can use is academic, writing, Wolfram, YouTube, or Reddit. To search in the published academic papers, you're going to pick the academic mode, and then now you can ask your questions. Let's try, what's the purpose of creating an AI agent? And let's see the answer that it's going to provide us. It provided the answer for us. And to create a thread, we can choose any related questions down below. You can see up here, we've set the focus to academic. To set a different focus, let's say writing, is going to generate text or chat without searching the web. Let's say we want to ask it. We're going to ask it, write a sales letter for brand selling skincare products, and we have chosen our focus to writing. Let us search so we can see what it's going to provide us in return. We just wrote us a short sales letter trying to sell skincare products. You can also search images or videos if you want. So here you can see a couple of other sales letters related to different products. You can view them right here. So this is one. You can view another one right here. And you can also watch a couple of videos on how you can write a sales letter.
You've heard me say it.
Now for computation and knowledge engine, set your mode to Wolfram. If you are trying to solve a complex equation, you can paste it right here and Perplexity will be able to give you an answer to your complex equation. If you wanted an answer to this complex equation, we can paste the question and the equation right here and click on enter. It's providing us the source of information and the answer to our equation. And it literally took just seconds to solve this entire equation, which is really incredible. If you want to discover or watch videos regarding a topic, you can choose focus the AI to YouTube mode. Now here you can ask, then click on enter. And you can see over here, our mode of focus is YouTube. And it's also providing you all the sources of where it sourced the answer to our question. And if you want to view the source, you can open the link to a new tab and you can watch the entire video how to set up a tent. Over here, it's also providing you the videos on how to set up a tent. You can watch any of these videos. And you can watch how to set up a tent. For the last mode, we're going to use the Reddit mode. On Reddit, we're going to search for discussions and opinions regarding our question. So, for example, we can ask the AI, what are the benefits of AI agents? And we want. So you can see over here, the AI is sourcing the info from Reddit, and it's providing us this answer right here. So if you would like to have more context on where it sourced the information, you can open a new link, and over here you can see where it sourced the information. So that's how you can ask AI questions and set the focus you want the AI to source the information from. Another thing that I wanted to discuss was the discovery page. Now here you will discover any new and trending topic that is going on, and if you want to read any of them, you can just open link to a new tab. Another incredible feature of Perplexity AI is the ability to generate images. So you can ask Perplexity AI to generate an image of an elephant. Perplexity AI to generate an image of an elephant in the savannah. So you can see the different images it generated for us. These are really incredible images that it generated for us. You can see the different images. It used different AI tools to generate all these images. This one looks so real. Here's another different AI image it generated for us. This one looks close to being a real image. There's another different image. So these are all the different images the AI generated for us. So you can use this tool to generate images. You can choose to download the image and save them on your computer, and the images will be saved on your computer. Another different feature of Perplexity AI is you can upload a CSV file or a document and ask AI to summarize what is in the document. Now to do that, click on attach, and you can upload a PDF file and ask AI to summarize or check if the file has any mistakes. Click on enter. So the file that we just uploaded is a list of company names, domains, and contact details. It has interpreted the information on the file. To set up your profile, click on your account over here and then click on profile. Here's where you will introduce yourself or personalize the answers. Over here you can introduce yourself. You can use an example like this one. So after the AI, that I'm a writer who likes answers brief and to the point, outlined in headings and bullet points. And for location, you can type in your location, then click on send. It will ask you a little bit of more information from your introduction to try and understand you more and better, and so it can provide you more personalized answers. You can choose to add all this relevant information it is asking over here. You can choose to skip it. Now when you go back and start asking it questions right here, like for example, you can ask it, what are the best supplements to take living in Denver? Our answer came in personalized depending on what we outlined on our profile. So we provided all the different vitamins and supplements in bullet point, and also you can view the images. Another incredible feature on this AI tool is Playground. Click on Playground down below. Playground is an AI chatbot that you can use to interact with and ask it questions, so it'll provide answers for you in a chatbot format. So you can ask it, how can I prepare sushi? Then it's going to provide you instructions on how you can prepare sushi. You can ask it another different question, like for example, you can ask it, what is the best country to travel to in South America? And it's going to provide you all the information in less than 2 seconds. And that's a wrap on our Perplexity AI tutorial. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to conquer new frontiers in your research. Ready to take your research to the next level? Subscribe now for more AI insights and tutorials. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.